Frustrated farmers impacted by grain mill failures at Salamone Mills and Agland Grain.
Wayne 15's Taylor Williams has been following these failures since the beginning. Tonight, she has the latest on the problems these farmers face.
The mills defaulted on 2 loans totaling more than $8 million. Now financial documents have farmers asking why the state didn't step in sooner.
I really truly think that the Indiana Department of Agriculture has got a lot of major problems right now.
It's been nearly a year since Salamone Mills and Agland Grain closed their doors for good. Now the mill's financial documents have farmers believing the mill should have closed earlier.
A licensee shall maintain at least 80% of his unpaid balance of grain payables in unencumbered assets. Well, how can he have 80% of his grain payables in unencumbered assets when he's got zero net worth? How's that possible?
Financial reports for 2017, 2018, and 2019 show Salamone Mills had a negative net worth before the company received a second loan from First Farmers Bank and Trust. The loan was issued by the bank's ag lender, Mark Wolf. That name might sound familiar to grain producers, as Wolf is also a member on the Indiana Grain Indemnity Fund board. That fund is paid for by farmers and helps pay them in the event of a grain failure. However, the board has a final say. The information related to the company's financial records came out during a forum in Bluffton. Senator Travis Holdman, Representative Dan Leonard, and Representative Matt Lehman gave an update on the bills they're working on related to the failures and the process. They said there is evidence the licenses for the mills should have been pulled earlier, but due to the bank giving them a second loan, there's evidence that's the reason they weren't pulled.
This was all caused by the agency not doing their job. Plain and simple.
We did reach out to First Farmers Bank and Trust. At this time, no one has responded to our request for a statement. Wayne 15 also reached out to the state. To hear their response, head to wayne.com. Reporting in studio, Taylor Williams, Wayne 15 News.